Yeah, look at that. Today I have a quick and easy, healthy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make a caramel substitute using dates. So I have a food processor here, and I am going to take my dates, and depending on the date, and this is 2 cups of dates, depending on the date, it might have a little bit more moisture content than the other. If it's kind of a dry date, you may need to soak these in water for about 10 to 20 minutes first. And then I have some coconut oil here, or you could use your favorite oil, cooking oil. I have about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but I'm not going to use all of it to start. Maybe just start with a tablespoon of it, and we'll see how smooth it gets. Also, instead of oil, you could also use just a little bit of water. And then I have about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. This will balance out the natural sweetness from the dates. All right, and I'm gonna put this on here. And you'll notice that it keeps breaking down even more. I think I will add some hot water, about 3/4 cup of hot water. I'm not gonna need hardly all of it. That's what it looks like on the inside right now, the texture. Not quite there. I mean, you could use it like that, but I like to get it a little bit more smooth. And so I'm gonna take a spatula now and just kind of give it a mix. So this recipe is not exact. It'll definitely depend on the type of date that you are using. And so you might need to add a little bit more of the oil, a little bit, add some water. It just depends. Sometimes you don't need water at all. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Now it's getting better. I'm gonna spin it around again. There we go. Yeah, that's what I like. And that's what it looks like now on the inside. And that's just exactly how I like it. Kind of a thick caramel substitute. Perfect for dipping apples in it. All right, the homemade caramel substitute with dates is done and turned out fantastic. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Got an little apple slice here. Yeah, look at that. It's so good, a perfect combination between the tart Granny Smith apple and the very sweet date caramel. And you'd be surprised at how close dates, pureed dates, tastes like to actual caramel. It's pretty awesome.